Yorgos Lanthimos The Favourite and Marielle Heller's Melissa McCarthy-starrer Can You Ever Forgive Me? Will get Centerpiece slots at next month's Hamptons Film Festival. The fest released its full lineup today, adding Steve McQueens Widows and the East Coast premiere of Felix van Groeningens' Beautiful Boy to the previously announced slate. Lanthimos The Favourite stars Emma Stone, Rachel Weisz and Olivia Colman in the tale of two cousins fighting to be the court favourite of Queen Anne. The film will be the fest's Friday centerpiece, while Heller's Can You Ever Forgive Me? Takes the Sunday centerpiece slot. The Hamptons Fest runs October 4 to 8. In addition to the previously announced films, the narrative competition films will include the New York premiere of Yen Tan's 1985, the U. premiere of Eva Trobish's All Good, Ali Abbas's Border, the U. premiere of Zsófia Szilagyi's One Day, and Domingos Sotomayor's Too Late to Die Young.
Documentary competition films include the world premiere of Jesse's Sweet City of Joel, Alexis Bloom's Divide and Conquer, The Story of Roger Ailes, the East Coast premiere of Shannon Service and Jeffrey Walden's Ghost Fleet, and the New York premiere of Daniel Zimmerman's Walden. Among the festival's signature programs will be a Views from Long Island section, including films Black Mother by Kali Kala, and world premieres of Emily Anderson's short film Only the Wind is Listening and Ross Kaufman's Still Play with Trains. The Air, Land and Sea program will present Rory Kennedy's Above and Beyond, NASA's Journey to Tomorrow, a Discovery Channel documentary chronicling the history and exploration of America's Space Force, and Nicholas Brown's The Serengeti Rules, about 5 international scientists during the 1960s. The Compassion, Justice and Animal Rights program will include the world premiere of Rob Fruchtman and Stephen Lawrence's The Cat Rescuers, about 4 activists in Brooklyn setting out to provide housing for the over 1 million cats abandoned in New York City. The Conflict and Resolution program will include Dalal Durkis of Fathers and Sons, Chris Martin's Under the Wire, Charles Ferguson's Watergate, and Almudena Carricito and Robert Bahar's The Silence of Others.
Additions to the World Cinema Narrative section include The Radu Jude's I Do Not Care If We Do Down in History as Barbarians, Olivier Assayas Non-Fiction, and Tamara Jenkins' Private Life. Additions to the World Cinema Documentary section include Morgan Neville's They'll Love Me When I'm Dead, Tom Donahue's This Changes Everything, Tom Wolfe's Maria by Callas, Frederick Wiseman's Monrovia, Indiana, and Nora Shapiro's Time for Ilhan. The fest also announced 8 programs of short films, including narrative and documentary short film competitions, New York Women in Film and Television, Women Calling the Shots, Zoom. Shorts for All Ages, University Short Films Showcase, Let's Go Crazy, Never Going Back Again, Please Don't Tell, and 5 short films that will play before features. The festival also will present a special screening of David Wissenant's Bathtubs Over Broadway, winner of the 2018 Summer Docs Audience Award, and announced an immersive storytelling and VR experience The Hidden. Also in today's announcement were some jury members, with additional names to be announced prior to the fest. This year's In Conversation With series will include interviews with Damien Chazelle, First Man, Emilio Estevez, The Public, and Maggie Gyllenhaal, the kindergarten teacher. For the full Hamptons International Film Festival lineup, go here.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.